My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2018 Seat Leon. This vehicle has done just over 58,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as voice control. And on the right, we have our automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access our key features, which include smartphone integration, navigation and full link, our vehicle settings and images. If we press this button here, we can access our Apple CarPlay, as well as Android CarPlay and Mirror Link. If we put our vehicle into reverse, we can hear that it comes with parking sensors. Just below we have our mode button. From here we can switch between sport mode, individual, eco and normal. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.